Question 20. The shallow tank water wave moves through a barrier with a narrow gap. The diagram shows the waves on the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the barrier. At the left side, we have water wave. We can name them incident water waves. After passing through the narrow gap, so these water waves become curved. So these are the curved wave fronts. We notice that the curved wave fronts and incident water waves, they have the same wavelength, lambda, equal spaces between the two consecutive wave fronts, and the same thing happened for the curved wave fronts, same wavelength. And secondly, we have the same frequency. Why? The same number of incident waves, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we notice that 1, 2, 3, 4. According to the mathematical formula linking between the wavelength and the frequency, V equals lambda times F. Lambda for the wavelength, which is the constant one for both incident and curved wavefronts, and the same frequency as well for both waves. So the same speed by the end, or the same velocity. The phenomena which it describes the curvature of the wave fronts after passing through the narrow gap, which it means diffraction. So the correct answer is D. See you next video.